Hey, I want to tell you about the best service in the category Best Email Marketing Services, with which I have been working for a very long time. It is one of the best marketing automation tools in the industry. Let me show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the Best Email Marketing Services category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Look closely. We are starting.
Hello everyone! Looking for the right email marketing service? Then this review is for you. This service provides high-quality email marketing services, features and resources for businesses of all sizes. With its full feature set, hundreds of templates and a great mobile marketing feature, Aweber is really worth giving a try. Don't believe me? Let's get to the overview. Aweber truly strives to be the primary email marketing tool for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Rather than partnering with third-party companies, Aweber uses its own email delivery system, and the service appears to be constantly improving to stay competitive in the marketplace. Everything you need for business. Although Aweber has one of the first services to offer autoresponders, the technology is outdated. However, Aweber is constantly adding new features such as automation in an effort to beat the competition. Drag-and-drop builder for email marketing campaigns with automation. In addition to notification emails, one-off, you can also send out a series of emails called Campaign in Aweber. The email marketing campaign builder is very easy to use. You just need to drag one of the options available to you: send message, wait, add a tag, from the left panel. You can create a simple autoresponder by combining message and waiting blocks. But more importantly, you also get access to several more advanced automation features. By clicking on the messages block, which you previously transferred to the constructor, you can insert into it a template of the letter that will be sent after the campaign is completed. When you click on this email block again, a panel with automation parameters will open on the right. You can add or remove a tag depending on whether the subscriber opens the email or follows the link in the email. One campaign can launch another when a tag is added to a subscriber. While this functionality is sufficient for small business owners, it is unlikely for an advanced email marketer to work effectively. Other email marketing tools have a broader set of triggers, for example, visiting your site, unread email, etc., as well as conditional blocks performing different actions based on user behavior. Functional split testing. This is a relatively new feature that does split testing to optimize your results. In the messages section of your control panel menu, there is an easily visible split tests icon. Please note that testing can only be done for notifications email. Thanks to this feature, you will be able to understand what proportion of your subscribers should send a certain type of letter, up to 3 letters. Every time I visit the Aweber website, I realize that the number of available integration applications is increasing. With this, you can connect Aweber to other tools that you use. Currently, there are over 850 applications for integration with a wide range of tools. Here are some of the most popular ones: e-commerce, PayPal, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopify, ClickBank. Website builders: Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, Joomla. SMS: Burst SMS, Callfire SMS, CM Telecom SMS. Social networks: Facebook, Twitter. Few email marketing platforms provide mobile apps. Aweber offers as many as 3, and they are available on both Android and iOS. Each mobile application has a specific purpose. Aweber Stats displays your email statistics in real time. The ATEM app allows you to add subscribers directly from your smartphone. You can connect it to a store or use it at an event. Curate lets you create newsletter emails. It just drives me crazy that other email marketing platforms force their subscribers to go through a post-migration verification process. Most platforms also give you no choice over whether new subscribers should go through the verification process once or twice. But Aweber provides such an opportunity. You can choose whether migrated or new subscribers need to verify their email address. If you are confident that you will have new subscribers, then the option of one-time confirmation will increase the conversion rate upon registration. Aweber is easy to use. There are no hidden settings and everything you need is in the top two menus. Forms, subscribers, reports are well-known concepts and do not need clarification. Aweber currently has two types of reports, the classic old version and the new design version. The old version has many types of reports to choose from, but most of them are not very useful. The Aweber team seems to have realized these, so they only focused on the essentials when creating the new reporting interface. All Aweber plans offer a 30-day free trial. While Aweber's pricing is slightly higher than other email marketing services, you get the full feature set in any paid plan. Considering the offered functionality, I can say that the prices of this platform are quite fair. The pricing policy is mainly focused on small listings for small businesses, but can be increased as needed. You just need to get an individual quote if you need more resources. You can pay using credit card, Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover. Debit card, only Visa and MasterCard. Checks, money transfers. Plus, you can get a discount by paying on a quarterly or yearly basis instead of monthly.